Hey folks, here we have the About single page. Now this particular design includes a thumbnail up here, which you can change right in the design view of Dreamweaver, list items, and some social icons up here. But then we get into an actual library item right here, the My Projects library item. Now this particular component has something really cool besides the fact that it's an owl carousel, is when you hover over the images, there's actually four social sort of icons in the top, left, bottom, and right, as well as a title and a description for each image. I'm just going to quickly show you how to update that in Dreamweaver. So let's pop into our editor right here, close down what I had going on there, and go into the library. And we're going to go into the carousels. And this particular carousel is the projects carousel. Okay, so there it is right there. And we'll open that up, and there's our projects library page right there. We can see the pictures. So we can change the images, we can change the project name and the description right here in the design view. But like I said, there's four icons right here: Facebook, Twitter, Yelp, and Google+. Now you can change those icons to whatever brand Font Awesome icon you want. If you haven't seen the Font Awesome video, go watch it. There's some great information about changing Font Awesome icons. But this video is just about how to locate that information and change it. So simplest thing to do is, let me just get rid of the really annoying lines here, Control-Shift-I on the keyboard. I'm just going to select the first image, flip it over to Code View to figure out where things are located, and then I'm going to scroll down a little bit. See my slide right here? Okay, there's a lot of information within this slide, and a lot of that information is located lower in the lower section, where we have the facebook.com and the Facebook Font Awesome icon. Then we have Twitter, Yelp, and of course the Google links right here, and below each one is the Font Awesome icon. So to change your icon for your social link, if you want to change it to something else, and you probably will, there it is right there. Go to Font Awesome, find a different brand icon, and change the Font Awesome icon name right here. And of course, this is where you change the link. So whatever link you would send your friend in an email to your Facebook page, you're going to paste that link right in here. For us, it would be something like facebook.com/i3dthemes, and that's it. That's our Facebook page right there. Of course, we've just left it blank, so you can type in or copy and paste whatever works for you. But other than the actual project name and the description, that's all you need to change. But I do want to add one other little snippet of information here for you. In some of the styles, what we do is we have this sort of project name. You see how there's different font sizes being used here? We've used a span class to change the second word to make it stand out a little bit more. If you want to keep that effect, or keep it in, right, just flip over to the code view, right? And you see how we have project, then we have span, then we have name. Yeah, you can actually just do this in code, or you can do it in design. Just click one word at a time, new, and then we just double click the second word, name. And if we flip over to code, you'll see that new and name, we keep the span tag, right? So that span tag wrapped around the word name, or the text name in this example, gives it that bold flavor. If you don't care about the bold, then what you can do is just swipe the whole thing, new, name, or put a space in there, and then that will get rid of the span tag, and then leave it sort of blank over here, and you can just leave it there if you don't want it, or delete it out of the page. It doesn't really matter. It's not going to affect the display after that. But this will now just have one single. When you hover over it, it'll just be a single, the first bit of text. It won't use that bolded span text or whatever style we've used, depending on the template. So that's just a couple of little tips right there. If you want to keep that look, then you may want to just double click in each word individually, or change it within the code view. So change the first word and then change the second word right there. And then you can go down and change your description. And it's all pulled out of each class, separated from the tags, so you don't accidentally knock off a span tag. It makes it very easy to edit, even in code view. For people that are afraid of HTML, this one, pretty hard to wreck, because all you have to do is scrub over the black stuff, or double click on the word, type in a new word, and you're done.